Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust the headlights on your Dodge Dart. First, let's get set up for success. Park your vehicle on a flat surface, approximately 25 feet from a wall or garage door. Make sure your tire pressure is accurate and your fuel tank is at least half full, as these factors can affect headlight aim. You will need an Allen wrench, usually a 5 or 5.5 millimeter size, and a measuring tape. Now let's find the adjustment points. Pop open the hood of your Dodge Dart. Look directly above each headlight assembly. You should see a small hole. Inside this hole, you'll find the adjustment screw. For the Dodge Dart, this particular screw is solely for vertical adjustment, meaning you can raise or lower the beam. There is no separate horizontal adjustment needed for these headlights. With your vehicle in position, turn on your low beam headlights. You should see a distinct beam pattern on the wall. Mark the center of the brightest part of the beam with a piece of tape. Now, insert your Allen wrench into the adjustment hole. Turning the wrench counterclockwise will raise the headlight beam, while turning it clockwise will lower it. Make small adjustments, observing the beam's movement on the wall. Your goal is to have the top edge of the brightest part of the low beam hit at or slightly below your marked line on the wall. Once one headlight is adjusted, repeat the entire process for the other side to ensure both are properly aimed. After adjusting, take your Dodge Dart for a short drive, preferably at night, to confirm that your headlights provide clear visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Enjoy your improved night vision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.